Hello students, welcome to Edupedia World. My name is Shivam Mishra and today we are going to discuss the solutions of Chemistry 2014 JEE Advanced Paper 2. The paper code which we are using is 8. The chemistry paper has 3 sections. Let us start with section 1. Section 1 has 10 questions and all of them have 4 options given. And out of the 4 given options, only one of the given options is correct. Let's have a look at question number 6. Question number 6 is from organic chemistry and it's a decently enough conceptual question. We have been asked to predict the major product of the following reaction. So this is the reagent which we have been given and we are making it undergo a reaction with Grignard. Now as Grignard reagent. Now as all of you must know that Grignard is nothing but a supplier of R minus, that is CH3 minus. Okay. Now with this CH3 minus for this particular reagent, there can be 2 possibilities. That is either this Grignard can attack on this carbon atom through a nucleophilic addition mechanism. It can act as a nucleophile. And secondly, the other possibility could be that this Grignard can also attack on this sp3 carbon for an SN2 mechanism. If the reaction takes place through this mode, it will be SN2 mechanism, that is nucleophilic substitution at this point. And if the reaction takes place through this mode, this particular mode, it will be a, I am writing it separately, it will be a nucleophilic, that is Nu minus addition mechanism. Now the skill lies over here in identifying that which of the 2 mechanisms will be preferred. If you try to recall, the correct order for competition of Grignard reagent is acid base. First and foremost, acid base reaction occurs greater than Nu minus addition greater than nucleophilic substitution. Nu minus substitution. Okay. So this is the correct order for competition of Grignard. Why this is the order? This can also be explained. Because in case of nucleophilic addition, this particular mechanism will be preferred, because in case of nucleophilic addition, the attack is taking place on a sp2 carbon. Let me remind you that this is an sp2 carbon, so it is planar and there is less steric crowding. And in case of nucleophilic addition, nucleophilic substitution for SN2 mechanism, this carbon is sp3 and there is considerable amount of steric crowding around it. So if we have to choose between one of them, clearly this mechanism will be preferred. That is, first the nucleophilic addition will take place. And if I draw the product of nucleophilic addition for you, we will have 1, 2, 3 and a chlorine comes at this point. And then I have 1, 2, 3 carbons. And obviously when CH3 minus attacks over here, this double bond pi electron shifts to oxygen. So we have a carbon, I am drawing a carbon specifically at this point, and this oxygen will become O minus. It will have 2 CH3 groups, CH3 and CH3. So this is the product which we are going to get after the initial attack. Now further, we have an RO minus over here, and RO minus is a very strong nucleophile. This oxygen has 3 lone pairs. And clearly there can be an intramolecular nucleophilic substitution wherein this lone pair can attack on this carbon atom and this chlorine departs from here as a good leaving group, right? So what will happen is we will get a very fast intramolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction, as a result of which we will get 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, which is your classical 5-membered ring, which is a stable system. A 5-membered and 6-membered rings are stable. So I am just drawing a 5-membered ring over here. At 1 position I have oxygen and at 2 position I have 2 methyl groups. So clearly this matches with my option D and that will be my correct answer. So there are 2 major concepts. First, you need to decide that which particular reaction will take place. There is a competition between nucleophilic addition at the carbonyl carbon and a nucleophilic substitution at the carbon which is attached to chlorine, which is sp3 carbon. Whenever there is a competition between nucleophilic addition and substitution, the addition will take place because the attack is easier in this case. This was the first concept. Secondly, after formation of RO minus, which is a very strong nucleophile, as a general rule, you can keep in mind that whenever there is a competition between intramolecular or intermolecular reactions, intramolecular reactions always tend to dominate because of a much faster rate. So obviously this reaction will happen much easier, and D will be my correct answer. Thank you.